Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing great. Today I want to go over a new ETF that I found recently from another video. This is the emerging markets ETF that I was looking at. I'm still looking for a international ETF that I can use to diversify like the rest of my portfolio. Ideally, it will pay near the end of the month. So this could be another option compared to IDVO or CLIP. So let's take a look inside. So right off the bat, I kind of like this one just because it's a funny expense ratio. I don't know if they did it on purpose or not, but I'm guessing it's just an accident that they have a 69 basis point expense ratio. All right, giggity giggity. So let's just take a look inside some of the holdings. So for example, I think this is a fairly well diversified portfolio. So for example, like the first one you have Taiwan Semiconductor, that could be helpful for to help kind of take advantage of AI. And like the next one is Tencent. They're a pretty big Chinese company. Then you have like Samsung Electronics, Alibaba, another big Chinese company. I'm not sure about Reliance Industries. Meituan is another Chinese company, along with PDD. That's another Chinese company, and I'm pretty sure this is the owner of like those Temu uh, ads that you probably see on your phone. ICC Bank. I'm not sure. It's either Chinese or Indian, I believe. I someone let me know in the comment section below. I'm just doing these off the top of my head. Infosys, I'm pretty sure is also a Indian company, and then SK Hynix. I'm not sure. I'm guessing SK is South Korea. But again, I'm not 100% sure on this. So this might be something good compared to Clip, because then Clip would only include Tencent, Alibaba, Meituan, and PDD, and a host of other Chinese internet companies. So I think this might be a better alternative potentially. So let's take a look at. I'm sorry, I think this might be a typo. I believe it's EMCC. So this could get a little confusing. So for example, since this is also relatively new, it came out close to like the beginning of the month. And it's also pretty funny that it starts out at a 69 basis points, but then I'm guessing they're giving us a small discount. I wonder if it's one of those temporary things, but it's the net expense ratio is only 60 basis points. Yeah, so fee waivers are contractual and into effect until well, okay, that's not too bad. So it's March 2025. But then even if it goes up to 69 basis points, I guess it's not too bad considering the original ETF has it set at 69 basis points too. So this might be something that could be interesting for me and maybe you guys too, because this does pay out monthly. So now the only question is how much will it pay, and then also when does it pay? So, and I think like this won't be. I have a feeling this won't be enough. I'll probably have to maybe add some other stuff to my portfolio just to kind of round things out. But I think like this could be a good choice. So in general, like the general risk would be like we have no control of the option strikes, and then like implied volatility could collapse. I expect implied volatility just in general to stay rather low throughout the holiday season, and then maybe in 2000 early 2024 things could get heated again. So recently there was a meeting between Biden and Xi, so I'm hoping maybe there's good things that'll come out of that meeting. And then if that's the case, I might be tempted to maybe buy like a small amount of clip. It really depends on whether EMCC will pay out also like closer to the end of the month. So hopefully we'll have some good news. And of course, if you like this information, please consider giving it a like and subscribe. And maybe if you have questions, please let me know in the comment section below. And I just want to thank all new subscribers. In general, you guys are pretty awesome, and I'm hoping you guys will also become future legends. I think like these covered call ETFs or and other high yield ETFs are, I think these could be really good for everyone in general. So I hope everyone makes a lot of money, and thank you, and have a great day now.